All right, in this video, we're going to take another look at angle bisectors. Remember, the angle bisector cuts the angle in half. So this line right here, it's cutting the large angle SQR into two smaller angles, SQP and PQR, which we've labeled 1 and 2 just for convenience sake. In this one, in this particular task, we're being asked not just we're given some expressions here for measure of angle 2 and for measure of angle SQR, the large angle, and then we're not asked to just solve for x, we're asked to find the measure of SQR. Now, we talked in the last video about how to set this up. Just a quick reminder. SQR is the large angle, so we've got 26x minus 2 is equal to 2 times the small angle, because it's twice as big, because the bisector cuts the large angle in half. So angle 2 is just half as big as the big angle, and the big angle SQR is twice as big, or 2 times as big as the small one. Remember, we have to put this into parentheses when we're done. Then our next step is to solve this equation. I'm going to start by opening up these parentheses using the distributive property. We're not going to do anything over here right now. Leave that alone. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times positive 12x is 24x. I want to have all of my terms of variables on one side, so I'm going to get rid of this 24x by subtracting 24x from this side. And of course, we're going to do the same thing over here. 26x minus 24x is 2x. We still have our negative 2 there. And we still have this 4 over here. And these just cancel each other out and they're gone. Next, we want to isolate the term that has the variable in it. So we need to get rid of this negative 2. We'll do that by adding 2. Of course, we have to do the same thing to both sides. And then we're going to get 4 plus 2 is 6. We have our 2x over here. And our last step is to isolate the variable itself by dividing by 2. And that leaves us with x equals 3. Now we know what x is, but we have to go back into our expression for angle SQR and substitute that value for x in order to find out what the measure of the angle is. So I'll go back up here. Measure of angle SQR equals 26x minus 2. We're going to substitute 3. So 26 times 3 minus 2. 26 times 3, let's see, 30. Or 3 times 20 is 60. 3 times 6 is 18. So that's 78 minus 2. And 78 minus 2 is 76 degrees. Measure of angle SQR equals 76 degrees. Let's see. Let's take a look here and do another one. Okay. Let's actually do number 4 because it's slightly different. Down here, this time, we're given an expression for measure of angle 1 and measure of angle 2. And we're asked to find ACB, and that's actually the large angle. Well, we know that angle 1 and angle 2 are equal to each other, so we're going to set up our equation like that. 11x plus 1 equals 10x plus 5, because the two angles are congruent. We want to get all our variables on one side, so I'm going to take away 10x from both sides. That leaves us with x plus 1 equals 5. Then I want to isolate the term that has the variable by subtracting 1 from both sides. And that's going to leave us with x equals 4. Okay. Now, several different things that we could do here. We could say that the entire angle ACB is equal to angle 1 and angle 2 put together, so we could write an expression for it and say that 11x, let's just write this out, measure of ACB equals 11x plus 1 plus 10x plus 5. We could do that. So let's move on from this. Combine like terms, 10x and 11x is 21x. 1 and 5 is 6. So we combine like terms, 11x and 10x, 1 and 5. And we're going to substitute 4 in here. So equals, let's see now, 21 times 4 is 84 plus 6. And 84 plus 6 is 90. So the measure of ACB equals 90 degrees. Another thing that we could do is we could say that measure of angle 1, for example, is 11x plus 1. And we could substitute into here our 4. So that's 11 times 4 plus 1. 11 times 4 is 44 plus 1. 44 plus 1 is 45 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 is 45 degrees. And then we would double that because, remember, that's just half of the large angle. We could double that and get 90. So 2 different ways you could go about this. I suppose there's a third way too. You could substitute, take a look here, 4 into this expression, 10 times 4 plus 5. For angle 2, 10 times 4 is 40, plus 5 is 45. You could double that. Or 10 plus, 45 here, plus the 45 from angle 1 equals 90. So several different ways to go about it. Just as long as you're showing your work, doesn't really matter. Okay. All right, good luck with these.